So, welcome everyone. Welcome to our Day 8 Salesforce Series. Today we are going to cover three important topics. That is very simple topics. These, okay. That is first one, related lists and field history tracking, and field audit. Okay. So now first let us understand what are related lists. Okay. So first of all, related list means they all are used to display the child records on the parent record page. Okay. For example, in our hospital management, there is a patient object, right? Patient billing and appointment objects. So for example, take one patient can have many appointments. Why? Because he need first time he came and second time also he came. That's how we can, and one patient can have many billing records as well. Why? Because every time the patient came and the patient paid some amount for the hospital, right? So that's how. And one more thing, and doctor object also have one doctor many also many appointments with the patients, like that. So that if we open any one patient record, then we can see all related appointment records and billing records in the related section. Okay. So for example, if you open any one record, so for example, if you open any one Rohit record, then you can see all his related appointments, when he came last time and when he visited first time, and also how much he paid in the billing records as well. Okay, this is how we can work with the related lists, and so this helps the user easily view the all records from only one page. Okay, so this is okay, so I will write the definition here. Okay, in simply we can say that these are used to display child records on parent record page. Okay. We can edit the related list in the page layout only. Okay, so now we can do it practically. Okay, for which object we can create? Okay, we can create for patient object. Yeah, go to setup, and search for the, in the object manager you need to search for patient object. Okay, yeah, this is this one. Okay, we can also set which fields in that child record we can set. Okay, visible. So now go to the page layouts. Okay, see here you can see related lists. Okay, okay, you can edit it. Okay, already these are there. Okay, here you can display whatever the fields you want. Okay, so for the patient, first you can go with appointment object. Okay, you can edit. So now I just want only appointment date and appointment status and time only. Okay, so the patient when he visited and the date and the status and the time. Okay, ascending. If you want to set sorting, you can also put. Okay, yeah, now only this only I want. Okay, make it. Okay, you need to set. Okay, now we can create for the same for the billing information. Okay, so for the billing information we can set whatever the fields we want. We can set payment method, payment status, okay, total bill amount. These only I want. Okay, this is how we can create the related lists. Okay, so now let us check. So I'm not refreshing. Why? Because I need to show the difference. Sorry, open the existing one. Okay, if you go to the related list, then you can see nothing is there. Okay, yeah, now it is showing. In appointment object there is no nothing. Okay, so actually we have created fields, right? Whatever the fields we want to display, that only we have put in the related list. So if you create any appointment object, then it will show. Okay, let's create here only. Okay, appointment already one. Actually we have created time, right? Okay, yeah, 12 p.m. appointment type as first time visit and appointment status scheduled. Okay, these fields only we will have here in the related list. Okay, if we see. Okay, this is how we can work with the related list. Okay, now you can go to the field history tracking. Okay, so I think there is no that much difference between the field history tracking and field audit trail. Okay, so first we will go with the field history tracking. So field history tracking is nothing but it is used to track the old value and new value whenever a field changes, and through the field history tracking we can also fetch who made the changes and when and time. Okay, this is about the field history tracking, and the main difference between field history tracking and field audit trail is you can track the changes in the field history tracking up to only 18 months. That means around 1.5 years only. Coming to the field audit trail, it will store the long duration up to 10 years. Okay, in up to 10 years it will store the values. This is the main difference between field history tracking and field audit trail. For example, in the patient object, if the phone number is changes from some digits to some digits, then Salesforce automatically stores the old value and new value and date of the change and also user who changed it. Then these all will appear through the field history tracking we can. Okay, yeah, now we can do it practically. Then we can do for patient object only, because okay, patient object, okay, now I'm creating on the patient object only. Okay, here go to the fields and relationships, and you need to enable here. Okay, set field history tracking. Okay, whatever the fields you want to track, you can I want to for the age and patient phone number. Okay, yeah, I just want only for age and phone number. Save. Okay, now you can check. For example, click on this. So now here you can create the age. Okay, I want to set it as 25 and phone number, right? Yeah, patient phone number also. Here I am 9876. Okay, this one I am creating. Okay, let's confuse 43210. Okay, so put the age as 25 and the this one only. Okay. Okay, now you can see in the related lists. Okay. In the related list, I think we need to assign the page layout. Okay. Okay, patient details history. Here I am adding. No, you can add here also. Quick save. Now you can see it. What are the changes we have made? Okay, you can see the changes here, right? For example, you can edit this. So now first see, actually we have created age 25 and this is the phone number we have created there. If you go to and see patient phone number, age and created, so automatically created will come. Patient age is this one and 25. Now I am going to edit this one. Okay, so you can clearly get it. Yeah, now it is creating for 26. Now I'm removing this and creating another number. Okay, now you can see the changes what we have made. Okay, so it will store the new values and as well as old values. Okay, this is all about the field history tracking. Okay, now what else? Okay, I think field audit trial, right? So field audit trial also same. Okay, I will write the definition again. It will track the changes, who made it and when. Who and when. Sorry, here we can write who and when made it. Who and made it for fields up to 18 months. Okay, now coming to the field audit trail. So field audit trail, it is nothing but we can store the same important field changes for many years. So it is the same as like that only, but up to 10 years we can track the changes for the fields. Okay, sorry, up to 10 years we can track same like. Okay, now we can create field audit trail. Okay, changes. I think these are the very simplest topics in. Okay, now I'm going to we can create for billing. Okay, not for all patient. Okay, I'm going to creating for billing. Sorry, here you need to search field audit trail. Okay. Yeah, I think we can't do the field arbitrary for the in the developer arc. I think so. That's why it is not appearing here. Okay, the field history tracking only we can create in the developers. Let's see, is there available or not. Okay. Okay guys, just we can do for field history tracking and sorry, in the developer edition we can only do for field history tracking. I think field article it is not visible here. Why? Because due to permission issues or sorry licenses, and also I think it is not available for our developer org. Yeah. Okay guys, I think you got all these today. So simply you can remember related lists. You can display the child records on the parent record page. Okay, so coming to field history tracking, we can track the changes who made and when made up to 18 months. So so same like field history tracking, but field audit trial it will store the values longer duration, but whereas in the field history tracking it will store the values up to only 18 months only. In if someone asks what is the time duration for field history tracking and field audit trail, then you can say 18 months for field history tracking and up to 10 years for field audit trail. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys.